Hello and welcome to this week's MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman. In XAMN Pro, working with tags is paramount. It allows you to organise your evidence as you discover artefacts that are relevant to your case, and it also allows you to share them with other investigators, prosecutors and defence, for example. We need a way to organise those tags, so we're going to run through a quick way to show you how to organise your tags. So we're going to go into this case and we're going to have a look at pictures. And what I want to do with the pictures is I want to sort pictures that have been taken by the device. So of course I've gone into pictures here and I could sort them by file size larger, but there's a far easier way within XAMN. If I scroll down on the main case overview page, you can see that we have filters that are already identified by the metadata from the device. So I want to sort them by this iPhone 14 Plus, and if I click on one of the pictures, you can see within the metadata it's going to show that it was taken on the 14 Plus. But one thing that has interested me is that we've flagged that the user has modified this location. And if I want to see are there any other files that have been modified, I can of course use the pivot filter by right clicking, create a filter, and I'm going to choose to do this in a new tab. And it's going to show me every file that has user modified data. So you can see it's returned 5, it's returned a picture that we originally knew about, but it's also highlighted to me there's some movies that have been recorded with modified data as well. And I can select all of these files by Shift and then select all. And one way I need to tag these is by choosing which tag to apply. And of course I can come up and edit tag, I can create a new one and tag all of these items, and I can then also share those tags with fellow investigators so we're working with the same tag sets. And the other investigator would simply just import. Hopefully this has been a good reminder of working with tags, and you'll join us again soon for some more hints and tips. Thank you.